Alright, in this video I just want to do a quick demonstration of the 3D pathfinding. This is my first test and I just want to check how they're working with just a test object basically. So here I have the game paused. I have a couple NPCs here and they're just doing a simple search around. They have very simple logic. They just find a location and then they path to it using the 3D pathing. And here we can see it working. So this is from the initial, so I had them all kind of standing next to each other. So if we go over here, we can maybe follow a few of them, see which way they're going. I think those three are actually all going to the same location. That's a bit crazy. These are random locations, so they shouldn't all be going to the same place. We can follow them for a bit. So the nice thing is now I'm using a plugin that allows to do some efficient 3D pathfinding, whereas Unreal Engine only comes by default with 2D pathfinding, which obviously doesn't work for my game. So there we go. So actually they do have different goals, but you know, they're just kind of finding. So here you can see them kind of moving around, and yeah. So this is the first test, just to make sure that I had implemented the 3D pathfinding properly. My next steps will be to model something. So, for example, I want to have little creatures that kind of live inside certain asteroid fields. Very simple, you know, creatures that kind of just roam around, and if you get too close to them, they'll run away, basically. That's what I want them to do. The way I have it set up now as well, they have a range which will be set to the entire asteroid field, and hopefully they won't, and they'll never go out of it, because obviously then there's the pathing is also bound to the size of the asteroid field. So here we can see them kind of going in their own directions. They take different pathing depending on what's around them, and we can also maybe go check a different one. Here we go. So here's a different one. So he's just kind of going on his own. And I can set different ranges, like this one for now has a big range and the size of the entire asteroid field, but I could give them smaller ranges as well, so they don't kind of go crazy on huge migrations basically through the asteroid field. But the nice thing is, you know, they will avoid, you know, they are pathing around things. The resolution of basically the pathing is quite large, because in 3D these are very large spaces, and I don't want it to be too. I still want it to be efficient. But yeah, this is our first steps into 3D pathing for NPCs. Thank you very much for watching.